Hi, today we'll start with installation of P6 in standalone mode. So we'll open the P6 disk which says P670 client applications, yeah, and we'll open the setup and run it. Once the setup is run, it will calculate the space required for installation of P6 into your system. It will also look for then the welcome page will come in, and you have to just click on next, because it's an installation wizard, so it's pretty much like just clicking next and it goes on. And you select engineering construction or whatever your field might be. This will actually, then you select Primavera P6 standalone. Yeah. Now the field that you select will determine what kind of projects that you can look at once the installation is completed. There are a lot of dummy projects which you will get. So I have selected engineering construction, and I'll get a lot of engineering construction dummy projects pre-installed. So I select the destination folder as same, and common folder also same. I want to install some sample projects, and all the installations are to be done in Oracle Primavera P6 folder. Yeah. Now I select password. I will use it as pub user. Both password and confirm password. And I'll install the P6 into the system. So initially it will install the database, which is Oracle Express Edition for us, and after the database is installed, the actual program, which is Primavera P6 standalone installation, will be completed. So then we'll have the installation wizard telling us that the installation has been completed, and we say finish. It will ask me to reboot the computer, and I'll say no, I'll do it afterwards. So thank you for watching my small video. The installation of P6 is done now. To check, I'll go to the start button, and I would start my project management, start file. I'll write login name admin and the password as admin. I'll say OK, and the P6 software opens.